How to Actually Make the Law of Attraction Work for You by Thais Gibson, narrated by Susan Caroline. The law of attraction is based on the principle that all matter is made up of pure energy, which is in a constant state of vibration and spin. The law of attraction implies that thoughts and emotions are also energy, each having a unique energy signature. Every energetic frequency is in a constant state of attraction or repulsion with all others. With the recent emergence of quantum mechanics, this notion has been largely supported at a micro level. The law of attraction states that like attracts like, and we are in a constant state of creating our reality through the energy we emit in the form of thoughts and emotion. We continuously interact with a fabric of reality or quantum fields through thought and emotional energy, and whatever we focused on is likely to manifest. We're each creators of our own reality, and what we put out is what we will attract. 3 things you need to know first. 1. A key factor missing from the law of attraction is that we are creating on both a conscious and subconscious level. This accounts for the seeming contradiction between opposites attract and the major principle of law of attraction, like attracts like. We are still attracting the part of the whole that has been splintered and repressed into the subconscious mind. Basically, the actively repressed traits within ourselves are still charged, and this suppressed energy is also a point of attraction. Until we acknowledge and integrate it, it will still play a role in the creation of our external reality. 2. Our belief systems alter our manifestation process. If you want to manifest $10,000 in 1 week, but your underlying beliefs are largely identified with a state of lack, you will only manifest more lack. This is because law of attraction works with both thought and emotion, and if you try to think your way into something that you don't believe, your emotional reaction will support your unconscious beliefs more than your conscious thoughts. If you try to affirm, "I will be abundant," but don't believe it, these beliefs will surface via an emotional response that insinuates the opposite feeling. At that point, you are literally putting the gas and the brakes on at the same time, making manifestation very difficult. One great tip to overcome this, as stated by Ester Hicks, is to start general and then get specific with your manifestation process. Start with what you can believe and continue to expand as you see evidence of your manifestations taking place. This allows your thoughts and emotions to be in resonance rather than dissonance. 3. We are always manifesting according to our highest values. Renowned behavior development specialist Dr. Martini, who is also featured in The Secret, discovered that we have all inherent set of values that is largely governing our behavior. Dr. Martini is quoted as saying, "All of our actions are strategies to align with our values as efficiently as possible, along with all of our positive and negative emotions of feedback as to whether or not we are living in our highest values." Essentially, the things we value the most filter our perception at a subconscious level. They are governing the way that we manifest and the reasons we do. This is why, for example, someone might set a New Year's resolution to lose weight and never achieve their goal. If one of their highest values is social connection, their unconscious will perceive that taking the time to exercise and eat right actually conflicts with the time they would rather be spending at social events with others. The trick then is to change your perception by tying in how exercise and diet actually support your high value on social connection. For example, you might feel more confident meeting new people when you're healthy and strong, or you can approach it from the other end by tying your value into your goal. In this case, you could try to engage your value of social connection by going to the gym or to nutrition classes with your close friends. What you need to know during active manifestation. These are some useful tips if you are meditating on your vision or practicing visualization. Clear your mind. To speed up the process of manifestation, presence and focus are key. If your attention is scattered, your manifestation will be too. Write down on paper whatever is bothering you.
Sign up to YouAreCreators.tv to download and listen to the full audio